Hello children, how are you all? I hope you're all well and safe in your home. Today we are going to do the workbook part from our mathematics subject. And now we will do the first lesson in our workbook, that is spatial relationship. Spatial relationship. The first topic here is top and bottom. T-O-P, top, and bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M is bottom. Look at the pictures and fill up the blanks. Here we are given two pictures, and according to the pictures we have to fill up these blanks. A. The rabbit is at the dash of the table. So in this picture we have a rabbit here and we have a table here. So where is the rabbit? The rabbit is at the bottom of the table. The rabbit is at the bottom of the table. This is the top part and this is the bottom. So the rabbit is at the bottom of the table. We will write here bottom. The rabbit is at the bottom of the table. Next, B. The monkey is jumping on dash of the building. So in this picture we have a building and a monkey, and the monkey is on top of the building. This is the top part of the building and this is the bottom part of the building. So where is the monkey? The monkey is on the top of the building. So we will write here top, T-O-P, top. The monkey is jumping on top of the building. The next section here is outside and inside. Here we are given a picture, and according to the picture we have to fill in the blank. Tick the correct word to fill in the blank. A. The cat is dash the kitchen. So where is the cat? Here the options given are inside and outside. We have to tick the correct option here. And the cat is inside the kitchen. The cat is inside the kitchen. So we will tick the option here as inside. Inside. And we will write the name here as inside. The cat is inside the kitchen. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Because here the cat is inside the kitchen. And next, B here is the girl is dash the room. Yes, in this picture you can see there is a girl and this is a room and she is reading a book on the bed. So the girl is, where is she? Inside or outside? Yes, she is inside the room. We have to tick the box here as inside. And also write the name. The girl is inside the room, as because the girl is inside the room we are writing here inside. The girl is inside the room. Next, C. The girl is dash the school. Inside, outside. Here also we can see in the picture there is a girl and this is a school. So where is she? Is she inside the school or outside the school? Yes, she is outside the school. So we will tick the box of outside the school. Outside, and we will write the answer here as outside. Tick the box of outside and write here as outside. The girl is outside the school. Outside the school. So the next section here is above and below. Tick the correct word to fill in the blank. Here we have a picture in which we can see a bird and also a nest. The A. The bird is dash the branch above or below, which is the correct answer here. This is the branch and this is the bird. So the bird is above the branch. This is the branch and this is the bird. The bird is above the branch. So we will tick here the above option and write as above here. Tick the above box and write. Next, B. Here you can see a picture in which you have a train and a track. The track is dash the train. So this is the track and this is the train. So where is the track? Is it above the train or below the train? The track is below the train. So we will tick the box here as below. The track is below the train. Here it is. The bird is above the branch and the track is below the train. The next section here is on and under. Here we have a picture in which a girl is sitting on the sofa. A. The girl is dash the sofa. She is sitting on the sofa. So we will write here as on. O-N, on. The girl is sitting on the sofa. The next B bit. Here you can see a flag and a boy. The boy is dash the flag. Where is the boy? The boy is under the flag. We will write here under. The boy is under the flag. Before and after. Look at the things in the boxes below. Then follow the instructions to tick the correct thing. Now here we have two boxes, A and B. Let's do first A box. In this box we have three pictures, a frog, a rat and a puppy. Tick the thing that is before the rat. So this is the rat and before the rat is frog. After the rat is puppy. So we have to tick the thing that is before the rat. So before the rat we have frog here. So we will tick the box for the frog. Yes, we have frog before the rat. So we have ticked the box for frog. Next, B. Tick the thing that is after the cat. So this is a pig, this is a cat and this is a dog. Tick the thing that is after the cat. So this is cat and the thing that is after the cat is the dog. Before is a pig. Before pig and after is a dog. We will tick the picture of the dog here. Yes. Now we will do the next section in the first chapter of spatial relationship, which is more and less. M-O-R-E, more and less. L-E-S-S, less. Circle the objects with red crayon for the more and with green crayon for the less. Here we have two boxes and different animals here. We have to count the number here and put green crayon for the less number and red crayon for the more number. We will count here. These are the snails and these are the parrots. So first we will count the snails here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So snails are 6 in number and the parrots are 2 in number, 1 and 2. So 2 is less and 6 is more. So we will circle the less number parrots with green. Yes, and the more number snails with red. Now we will come to the next picture. Here we have fishes and here we have cats. Let's count the fishes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the fishes are 9 here and the cats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the cats are only 9 and the cats are only 6 and the fishes here are only 9. 6 is less and 9 is more. So we will draw a red crayon for the more of fishes and the less number are the cats. We will draw a green circle. The next section here is bigger and smaller. Big and small. Bigger and smaller. Pick the one that is bigger and cross the one that is smaller. So here we have two pictures, A and B. In the A picture we have a cat here and we have a dog. But if you see these two animals, one is big and one is small. So we have to pick the bigger one and cross the smaller one. So in this picture, which is the bigger one? Yes, dog is the bigger one. So we will tick the box for the dog and we will tick the box for cat as cross because it is the smaller one. Cross for the smaller one, tick for the bigger one. Now if we come to this picture, we have a monkey, we have a butterfly. Butterfly is small here, the monkey is big. Monkey is bigger than butterfly. Butterfly is smaller than monkey. So for the bigger one we will put a tick mark. And for the smaller one we will put a cross mark. Yes, the bigger one, the smaller one. The bigger one and the smaller one. Taller and shorter. Look at the given pictures. Tick the one that is taller and cross the one that is shorter. Here we have two pictures in this. This is the taller one and this is the shorter one. So we need to tick the taller one and we have to cross the shorter one. Tick mark this. So among this, the deer is taller one, so we will put a the tick mark here, and this is the shorter one. We will put a cross mark for the duck here. Cross mark for the shorter one and the tick mark for the taller one. And the next here, this is a cow and this is a rabbit. So this is tall, this is short. So we will put a tick mark for the taller one and we will put a cross mark for the shorter one. The next is heavier and lighter. Tick the heavier one and cross the lighter one. Here we have 4 images, 4 boxes, A, B, C, D. In this box we have to identify the heavier one and the lighter one. So with these two pictures, the ball is heavier and the fruit juice can is lighter one. So for the lighter one, we need to put a cross, and for the heavier one we need to put a tick mark. So for the ball which is heavy, I will put a tick mark, and for the fruit juice can which is a lighter one, I am putting a cross. For the B, elephant, this is the heavier one, this is the lighter one, so heavier one we put a tick mark, and for the lighter one we put a cross mark. Monkey is lighter than elephant, so we are putting a cross mark here. Then C, in this picture we have apple and a strawberry. So the apple is heavier than strawberry and the strawberry is lighter than apple. So we will put a cross mark for the lighter one which is the strawberry, and the tick mark for the apple which is the heavier one. Next D, this is dog and this is ball. So for the dog, this is a heavier than a ball, we will put a tick mark. The ball which is lighter than the dog, we will put a cross one. In these two pictures, dog is the heavier one and the ball is the lighter one. Heavier we have put the tick mark, and for the lighter one we have put a cross. With this we complete the first chapter workbook part of spatial relationship.